What's down with you? It's your boy, Lover Boy Vic. Welcome back to the Groove. Man, I know my partner's about to have a field day with this one when they see it. But it is what it is. It is what it is on this. I'm fresh out the shower. So yeah, welcome to the Groove. You know, welcome back to the Groove. My lover girls and my playboys. This one we have the third installment of my favorite Michael Jackson videos. My favorite Michael Jackson songs, and this is my favorite one. But before we get into it, Big Four, do the Big Four for your boy. I need you to like the video, comment on the video. I need you to subscribe to the channel, and I need you to share the video and the channel link with everybody you know you rock with. My senses acting up again. My internet was acting crazy, which is why I'm posting late, and this one gonna be a week later. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there that's doing your thing, man. Y'all keep striving, keep doing what you're doing. I know it's gonna be a week later when this one come out, but happy Mother's Day to y'all as well. Now, let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, this is, Michael Joseph Jackson, Gary, Indiana. We still in 1987. We still on the Bad album. This is the third single off of the Bad album. This is my favorite song. I'm telling you, growing up as a kid, this is the one for me. I used to play on my little tape until the tape popped, and I had to get another tape. My godmother had to give me a tape. My mama got me a tape. So it was between the Bad album, the New Edition, Any Heartbreak tape, and that Dana Dane with Fame. That's a whole different story. Those are my three tapes that I used to pop, like I used to run them ragged. Nah. So, third single off the album, if you know, you know. This is the third consecutive single off of the album to peak at number one. My son in there going off arguing on the game. So to peak at number one on the Billboard Hot 100. So, yeah, he was making hits. The Bad album was a beast. And then they had three different versions of this album, right? You have the album version, you have the single version, and you have the extended dance mix. So, three different versions of this one single. I'm gonna play the video first, and I'm gonna try not to talk as much. So I'm gonna play the video first, and then I'm gonna play the album version of it afterwards. So this is, to make a short intro even short, I done did it this time. This is Michael Jackson, The Way You Make Me Feel. And I'm gonna try not to ruin it for y'all. But this is my jam. I'm telling you now, this is my jam. Let's go, let's get to it. Change the camera, change the lighting. Action, let me.
Wait a minute, you don't have that kind of knowledge. You understand? Look at that book. Woo! That is boxing. No. Look at your brother doing it. I thought I told him to go home. What is he doing?
What is Junior doing?
Pass him up. Back up. Look at this crap.
Let's get a walk past that boy.
Hey!
You gotta get him, Mike. You don't walk past me. Let's go. Spit your game. Let's get it. Only Mike.
You knocked me off of my feet now, baby.
I got too excited. I forgot I'm supposed to be reacting. I'm running it. I forgot I'm supposed to be reacting to it. But I ain't gonna interrupt it or stop it too much. But yeah, okay, so she ignoring him. She ignoring Mike. You know, maybe playing a little hard to get. Walk smooth past him at first. Like, all right, now you gotta spit your game. You gotta make me stop. Cause you know, a woman knows in the first couple of minutes, but then talking to you or meeting you or seeing you, she knows if she gonna give you her attention, give you play or not. It's up to you to not mess it up. So let's see what he's doing. Is he messing it up? Is he not? It's up to you to not mess it up. Because if the attraction is there physically, then it's up to you to keep it going with the mental part, the verbal part. Let's go. I'm talking too much. Let's get it, Mike. Business but mine and my baby. Nobody business. That's how it should be. Dance break.
How you
Let's go.
doing, man?
Yeah. Now you thought it disappeared on you. You did all that hard to get, playing hard to get. Then it made it fall for him. Now you gone. There you go. Player. That's player. All right, hold up. Let's get to it. Make Me Feel. Michael Jackson, Bad Album. My favorite Michael Jackson song. So that was my top 3 that I went through these last few videos. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know what you're doing with it. You know, put the comment, you know, put it in the comments. You know how I do, you know what I say. Let's talk about it. You know. I say ain't nobody business but mine and my baby. Like, it's just us, nobody else. So let me know what you're doing with it. Let me know what you're doing with it. So that's my favorite Michael Jackson songs. This is my all-time favorite. The rest of them, now you got a bunch of hits. I like them all. But this is the one for me. Bring me all the way back. So let me know. You rocking with it? You like it? Am I tripping? Where is this song on your list? If it's on your list, you know, or you adding it to your playlist? What you doing with it? Let your boy know what's going on. You know, and I'm tripping. I ain't even turn the camera. I'm tripping. All right. Nah, but back to it. You know, thank you for grooving with your boy again. You know how it go. You pray for me, I pray for you. We'll see each other on the next one. We'll see each other next time for sure. Make it through the week. Thank you for grooving with your boy. Peace. All right, y'all have a good week. I'll see y'all next one.